Digital works across all of the pillars of the automotive industry. So we see digital in supply chain, we see digital in manufacturing, we see it obviously in mobility as a service and in retail. Digital is an enabler for the business. So digital accelerates data analytic, digital creates new business model and new revenue streams, but most importantly, digital enables customer centricity. It enables providing products and services to the customers that are actually relevant in the sense of having services delivered at the right time to the right customer and the right offering.
Naturally, there's a big role for both the car data and the personal information, personal data that comes out of the car. So the user entrusts the OEMs or the car makers with their data, and that has to be done in a very secure and privacy regulated way, so that there's no abuse of that data. The car has up to, I think, over 1,000 sensors or data points. We're now only using the tip of the iceberg, about 10 to 100 of those. So there's a lot of room for growth in the area of automotive data and the personal data around it. You see players like Google and Amazon also moving into that market, because the OEMs themselves or the car manufacturers, they can't do everything themselves.
We look across the ecosystem on how people interact with their vehicle, how they're buying their vehicle, how the vehicle operates on the road, and then the other use case is obviously the manufacturing environment on when the vehicle is being made and how that integrates with the cloud is all transforming the industry. Another part that we're obviously seeing a big transformation change is the speed of the innovation that these automakers need to do. No longer are there 7-year cycles to build cars. So even in the design process of the vehicles, we're seeing a smaller timeline, and cloud computing is helping greatly to do. Number one is that customer experience. I mean, that connecting with the customer individually, so they can have, the automotive maker can have a closer experience with that customer throughout the life cycle. That's what we focus on, is the customer experience. You don't have access to the data. It's what our customers can do with that data to help their customers.